Welcome to MAXPRO Treadmill. Mobile and tablet holder for safekeeping your smart devices while running. Hear your favorite playlist songs while you run, jog and walk. We care about you and provide the safety key option, which stops the treadmill running by a fraction of a second. Just a pull is enough. Handheld pulse to stay in your target heart rate zone. 12 preset programs for efficient workout. 4 horsepower peak DC quiet motor deliver power for interval, speed, or endurance training. 5-inch blue LCD display reads hand pulse, time, speed, distance, calories. To ensure our treadmills are top quality, we test each belt for 1 million cycles at heavyweight user. 1 to 14 km/h speed levels available. You can select different speed based on your physical condition and exercise based. 3-level manual incline training adds resistance to your everyday workout, burns more calories, and increases muscle tone. 1150 by 420 mm running surface. The multi-layered running belt reduces sudden shocks. It feels good to know you're getting stronger each day. Easily foldable using soft drop hydraulic system. And as an added bonus, we built in a powerful shock that helps you lift the deck with an easy push. We know you like your house to be clutter-free. So we designed a treadmill that folds up and out of the way when you're done with your workout. You can move and use the treadmill wherever you like. Wheels for easy transportation. MAXPRO. Make it happen.